Hello children, welcome back to class 6 social science. In the social science geography part, chapter 5 major domains of the earth. Major domains of the earth. Children, let us memorize the topic what we have learned in our previous class. We have already discussed about the continent in the lithosphere. Already we have discussed all the continent in our previous class. Let us go to the today topic. Next topic, that is hydrosphere, children. That is hydrosphere. Today topic is hydrosphere. Children, what is hydrosphere? Hydrosphere, it is the word. It is hydrosphere word. It is derived from the Greek word hydro. Hydrosphere, the word, it is derived from Greek word hydro. Hydro means water. Children, it is derived from the Greek word hydro. Hydro means water, and the hydrosphere means the part of the earth that contain water. Part of the earth that contain water is called as a hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is nothing but the water body on the earth. That is a hydrosphere. And this hydrosphere purpose, our earth is called as a blue planet. Because why it is called as a blue planet? Our earth, already I told you in the first class, earth is called as a blue planet because the total part of the earth covered, the 71% of the earth covered only water. The 71% of the earth covered what is water covered, and only 29% the earth covered land. That's why it is called as a blue planet. I already told you. And this hydrosphere, this water part of the earth, it consists of the water form is consists of all forms. The hydrosphere is consists of all forms of water. Remember children, the hydrosphere is consists of all forms of water on the earth. They are water vapor, bay, lake, glaciers, groundwater, and etc. So these consist of all forms of. Here the water vapor which consists of water vapor which contain the air. Where the water vapor available? Air contain the water vapor. And bay. What is bay, children? Here bay means it is a large water body. The bay means here a large body of water connected to an ocean or sea formed by an inlet of land. I repeat once again children, a large body of water connected to an ocean or sea formed by an inlet of land. It is called as a bay. For example, you can see Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal here. This is the one of the example, Bay of Bengal. This land is called as a bay. Example is Bay of Bengal. And water also consists of lake. Water also available in the form of lake also. Lake means a large body of water within a body of land. A large body of water within a body of land. It is separated from the ocean. Children, remember this. It is separated from the ocean. It is not a sea. Because this is the meaning of the lake. That's why the water is available in the form of lake also on the earth's surface, and in the form of water available also glaciers. So what is glaciers? Already you know the children, glaciers means rivers of ice formed by the accumulation and compaction of the snow on mountains. I repeat once again, rivers of ice formed by the accumulation and compaction of snow on mountain is called glaciers. These are also available on the earth's surface, glaciers, and most commonly these, if we see in India, these glaciers are found in the northeast countries. For example, Himachal Pradesh, Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir. That place we can see the glaciers. And already I told you lake already. Lake also we can see in our, for example, the Chilika Lake in Odisha and Pulicat Lake in Andhra Pradesh. These are the lakes we can see. There are many lakes are there across the world. If we see in India, these are the some example of the lake. And next form of the water is groundwater or underground water. So groundwater means what, children? Is the water found underground in the cracks and spaces in the soil, sand and rocks. I repeat once again. Underground water is the found underground in the cracks and spaces in the soil, sand and rocks. And these also you already know, in surrounding area underground water available. Water is available in the various forms on earth's surface. And next we shall discuss here availability of the fresh water. How much fresh water we are getting now? That is the important thing, children, here. Because the total, already I told you, the water surface, the water body, how much covered? 71% of water body covered on the earth surface. This out of total, this is the total water part of the earth surface, 71%. This out of total, 97.2 covered by the ocean only. Children, this is very important thing. Out of 71, already this is total part of the water on the earth surface. In the total, 97.2 covered only the oceans. So where is the remaining? 97.2 covered only the oceans and 2.77% in the form of ice, glaciers and other. And remaining only 0.03 available as a fresh water for use human. So only this very less amount of we are getting the fresh water, that is 0.03. So that's why in the blue planet we are facing the shortage of water, children. Why we are facing the shortage of water? Because the 0.03% only we are getting the fresh water. If you may ask, because why already the 97% water is there all surrounding? Because these oceans waters are not it is suitable for human use, because these ocean water are too salty. Ocean water are too salty. It is not a comfortable for human use. That's why we are facing the shortage of water problem. So this is the detail of the hydrosphere. In hydrosphere there are, already I explained the water is available in the form of the ocean. So we are going to discuss about the oceans in detail. Already you know, children, there are 5 oceans on the earth surface: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. So these are the oceans. We will discuss the ocean one by one in detail, children. Now let us discuss one by one oceans in detail. The first ocean is Pacific Ocean. Children, Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean and it is deepest ocean on the earth. Remember this, it is the very largest ocean and deepest ocean on the earth, and it is extend this Pacific Ocean. Children, look at the map here, the Pacific Ocean. Here the North Pacific Ocean, here this side and this side, the both sides are there, in eastern side and western side on the map. It is extend from Arctic Ocean in the north. It is extend from Arctic Ocean in the north, and it is up to extend from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the Southern Ocean. This is extension of this Pacific Ocean, and this Pacific Ocean is bounded the continents. This is surrounded by the continents. They are Asia, Australia and North America. How it is surrounded this ocean? See, children, this is the Pacific Ocean. In the west side, look at, this is the Asia continent. So it is bounded Asia in the west side, Australia also west side, and in this side Pacific Ocean, it is surrounded in the east side, which continent is there, North America Sea. So it is surrounded in the North America, which side, in the east side, and west side Asia and Australia. So it is surrounded like this. And this Pacific Ocean depth, children. So depth of the Pacific Ocean, depth means the deepest place of the ocean. How much it is? The average depth, not a full depth. The average depth of Pacific Ocean, children, here 4,572 meters. I repeat once again. The average depth of Pacific Ocean is 4,572 meters. Remember this. This is the average depth of Pacific Ocean. And the one of the important feature of this Pacific Ocean is, that is very important, children, here, deepest oceanic trench. Deepest oceanic trench, that is Mariana Trench. Mariana Trench, it is the very deepest oceanic trench that is found in the Pacific Ocean, children. So what is the trench, children, here? Trench means what? Trench is it is trench is nothing but very deepest place on the ocean. In the ocean, very deepest place. Otherwise, the very deepest place on the earth, location of the earth. That is the trench. The trench meaning very deepest place. So this deepest place is there in the which ocean? That is Pacific Ocean. It is, see here, first I want to understand you. Already I told you the trench. The trench looks like this is the ocean. The upper part of the ocean, it is a shelf. This is the upper part of the ocean. If we see this in the downside, this is second part of the ocean. In third part, this is very deepest place. This is this part, very deepest place. So this place is called as a oceanic trench. This place is called as a oceanic trench. Here in the Pacific Ocean, in the west side of the Pacific Ocean, we can see which trench, that is Mariana Trench, very deepest trench on Pacific Ocean. Now you can see here on the map, children, this is the Pacific Ocean. Already told you, in this Pacific Ocean, in the western side of this Pacific Ocean, near the Mariana Islands, here in this part, here it will come. You see the Mariana Trench, it will come here in this part, children, here opposite of the Philippines. Opposite of the Philippines, here is there the which trench? That is the Mariana Trench, the world deepest place. So this is the detail about the Pacific Ocean, children. Now let us go to the next ocean, that is Atlantic Ocean, children. Children, Atlantic Ocean is the second largest and S-shaped ocean. Remember this. It is the second largest and it is S-shaped. It is shaped like S. Where is the Atlantic Ocean in the map, children? Here, North Atlantic Ocean is here. Children, this is the Atlantic Ocean and South Atlantic Ocean. This is the Atlantic Ocean. Its shape is S-shaped. This shape is S-shaped and it is surrounded by the continents. Each oceans are surrounded by some continents. So like this ocean also surrounded by which continents? In the west side, it is surrounded North America and South America. This Atlantic Ocean surrounded in the west side, which continent? North America and South America. In the east side, Asia and Africa. So surrounded by these continents, this ocean. And children, one more important thing of this Atlantic Ocean is it has very long coastline. It has very long coastline. So what is coastline, children, here? Coastline is a land along sea or land along with the sea or ocean, or otherwise it is a land along with the sea or ocean. Otherwise, it is the boundary of the land. It is also you can say boundary of the land. That place land meet land meet the water, that is called as a coastline. So it is very helpful for to making the trade. It is very helpful because the coastline places are very helpful for the foreigners to making the business or trade. So this Atlantic Ocean has the coastline, and that is provide very good sites for sheltered harbors and seaports. Sheltered harbors means the place it is sheltered, the place sheltered or sheltered body, sheltered water bodies that the ships or boat can be docked that place, and that's why it is very important. This Atlantic Ocean for it is very helpful for the harbors and seaports. And depth of this Atlantic Ocean is average depth here given. The each ocean has the average depth here, and this one also average depth of Atlantic Ocean is 3,376 meters. The depth of the Atlantic Ocean. So this is the detail of the Atlantic Ocean. Now let us go to the third ocean, that is Indian Ocean, children. This is the Indian Ocean. So children, Indian Ocean is the third largest and triangular shaped ocean. It is the third largest and triangular shape. See children, it is the shape of this ocean, Indian Ocean. It is below of our country, India. It is there, Indian Ocean. Its shape also triangular because it is both all three sides land is there. That's why it looks like a triangular. And it is bounded the country in the north side. Already you know that here Indian Ocean in the north side, the boundary continent. It is bounded the continent. Which are the continent? In north side Asia, and in the west side Africa. In the east side Australia, and in the south side Antarctica continent. So like this it is bounded. And one more important feature of this ocean is children, that is it is the only ocean which named after the country India. I repeat once again, this ocean is the only ocean which named after a country India. Remember this children, this only ocean. And this ocean average depth is 4,000 meters. This average depth means deepest place of this ocean. I told already you deepest place of the ocean. This is the 4,000 meters. Now let us go to the next ocean, children. That is the Arctic Ocean. This is the smallest and coldest ocean, children. This is the smallest and coldest ocean. See where it is there. Arctic in the northern hemisphere. It lies in the northern hemisphere and extend Arctic circle, children. It is lies in the northern hemisphere and extend Arctic circle. It will extend to Arctic circle up to the pole side, North Pole. And this coldest. That's why it is called as a coldest, because it is lies in the polar region. Always the earth polar region always are cold and temperature is very less. That's why it is a cold ocean, coldest ocean. And it is bounded. It is bounded the which are the places here? The bounded continent or country here. This Arctic Ocean is bounded here. Greenland. It is bounded Greenland. Alaska, Canada, in the northeast Greenland. See, this is the Greenland, children, and Alaska is a country of USA, United States. Here comes Alaska, and Canada. Canada is one of the country of the North America continent, and Greenland is one of the largest islands on the earth. Children, remember, Greenland is the largest island of the earth. That is there in the map. See here, children, this is the Greenland. This is the largest island of the earth, and this Arctic Ocean is bounded. These are all places in the northwest place. Here also, see children, this side also Arctic Ocean and this side also Arctic Ocean. in the this side it is bounded these are all Greenland, Canada and Alaska, that is northwest west, and also it is bounded Russia and Scandinavia in the southeast. In the southeast it is bounded Russia and Scandinavia countries here comes. And one more important here, this Arctic Ocean is connected with Pacific Ocean. This children is very important. Look here, the Arctic Ocean is connected with Pacific Ocean. See this side to this side. This is connected with Pacific Ocean as a narrow strait that is called as a Bering Strait. Here there Bering Sea, children, look here, this is the Bering Sea. So that's why it is called as a Bering Strait, because Arctic Ocean connected with Pacific Ocean as a narrow strait, that is a Bering Strait. It is because it is connected through the Bering Sea. That's why it is Bering Strait. See children, and already I told you, and depth also. Now let us go to the next ocean, children, that is Southern Antarctica Ocean. I think this is clear you. Now let us go to the next ocean, children. This is the last ocean, the Earth's last ocean. That is Southern Ocean or Antarctica Ocean. This is also called as a Antarctica Ocean also, children. And it is the extent of 3 oceans. It is the extent of 3 oceans. That means 3 oceans is extend to here. That's why it is extent of the 3 oceans. They are Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, and Indian Ocean extend, and that is called as a Antarctica or Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean is the extent of the 3 oceans. And the average depth of this Southern Ocean is 7,236 meters. 7,236 meters, children. This is the average depth of the Southern Ocean. See children, this is the Southern Ocean in the map. Southern Ocean. This is lies in the southern hemisphere in both sides, in the eastern side and western side also. This is the Southern Ocean. So with this topic, the all ocean topic came to end. I hope all of you understand well. And after this, in the next topic is atmosphere. In this lesson, next topic is atmosphere. And this topic we will discuss in our next class, children. Thank you.